Hi friends, in this video we will discuss convolution integral between a rectangular sequence and another rectangular sequence. See, find the convolution between two sequences x of t and h of t, where x of t and h of t are given. X of t equal to 2, it has amplitude 2 for the duration, minus 2 to plus 2, else it is 0, and h of t equal to 4 for the time duration 0 to 2, else it is 0. We have the convolution integral formula, that is y of t equal to integration over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. Let us sketch these two sequences x of t and h of t in terms of time index tau. So first I will sketch x of tau. X of tau has amplitude 2 for the duration minus 2 to plus 2. So I will sketch x of tau. It has amplitude 2 for the duration minus 2 to plus 2, and next sequence h of tau has 4 amplitude 4 for the duration 0 to 2. So next is what I am going to sketch h of tau. It has amplitude 4 for the time duration 0 to 2, but as for the formula we want h of t minus tau. So let us keep our substitute our put t equal to 0, then we are getting h of minus tau. H of minus tau is nothing but it is the reflection version of this one. Let us take the reflection of this one, or we can say mirror image of this one. T tau is replaced by minus tau. Tau is replaced by minus tau, then it becomes 0 minus 0, 1 becomes minus 1, 2 becomes minus 2, amplitude remains same 4. Now this first sequence we have to keep constant, always keep constant, and second sequence, this one we have to keep on shifting. Then we have to perform the convolution between these two sequences by graphical method. So one more point, we are discussing this convolution operation by graphical method. Performing the convolution between these two sequences by graphical method we are discussing. Okay. uh, so first sequence, as we know, we have to keep constant. Second sequence, keep on shifting. For each shift we have to check how much overlap between two sequences. How much overlap between these two sequences we have to check. So for that we will discuss with the help of two cases, major cases. Those are non-overlap and overlap cases. First we will see non-overlap case. Non-overlap case means we have to keep first sequence as it is, and second sequence we have to take and we have to place over the first sequence in such a way that there is no overlap. So here in this case both the sequences having finite durations, x of tau as well as h of minus tau, both the sequences having the finite durations. In the previous videos we discussed one sequence is finite and another one is infinite, and in some cases we discuss both are infinite sequences, but for this case both the sequences having the finite durations. Hence for the second sequence h of minus tau we have two ends, that is uh, if you substitute t equal to 0 we are getting index as a tau. Now the first point is what, tau equal to t equal to 0. So first point is what, t, this point indicates t, and second point is what, t minus 2. So it has two ends. So let us take this second sequence and place over the first sequence in such a way that there is no overlap. So non-overlap case means if t, this point is less than minus 2, if t is less than minus 2, then there is no overlap. See the cases for that. First sequence is constant, this is constant, and second sequence we shifted in such a way that the t is what, less than minus 2, then there is no overlap. So hence we can write y of t equal to 0 for the case t is less than minus 2. Okay. And one more non-overlap case we are getting, if other end, that is t minus 2 is greater than 2, if t minus 2 is greater than 2, so that also we are not getting no overlap. If t minus 2 is greater than 2, so if you take minus 2 towards this side it becomes plus 2, 2 plus 2 it becomes 4, hence t is greater than 4. What happens, see here, that one we are seeing graphically. If t minus 2 is greater than 2, t minus 2 is greater than 2, then there is no overlap. hence y of t equal to 0 for what t is greater than 4. So we got two cases for non-overlap. These two will give the non-overlap cases. These two results are for what? Non-overlap cases. Let's go for overlap. Next is for overlap. When these two sequences get overlap, take the second signal and place over the first signal as it is. Both the sequences having the finite durations, and one more point we have to remember, we can see here first sequence have the time value, it has 4 seconds, 1 2 3 4 seconds, and second sequence has only 2 seconds. Hence we can say that second sequence has lesser time duration than the first sequence. Easily this sequence will fit into the first sequence, but step by step we will shape the second sequence. T if this point t is greater than minus 2, and second point t minus 2 is less than minus 2, what happens? So let us see. If t is greater than minus 2, somewhere you can take after the minus 2, and second point is what? T minus 2 is less than minus 2. T minus 2 is less than minus 2. So for this illustration, how much overlap occurs? From minus 2 to t. This amount of sequences amplitudes get overlap. So overlap region from minus 2 to t. Same for the same condition, one more instead of here what, one more case I will take. Here I taken the very closer to minus 2, but I will take somewhere far from the minus 2. Then from this case same condition, but other representation. Here what happens? Here also minus 2 to t. This amount of sequence get overlap. So this is the overlap region. Here also what? Minus 2 to t. Hence let us see this one. T is what? Greater than or equal to minus 2. T minus 2 is less than minus 2. Hence if you take minus 2 towards this one, if you take this side means it becomes plus. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Hence t is less than 0. So in concise we can write minus 2, the value of t is greater than or equal to minus 2 less than 0. Hence limits becomes minus 2 to t. Let us substitute here. Instead of writing minus infinity to plus infinity, I will write minus 2 to t x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. Let us substitute x of tau as amplitude 2 and h of minus tau has amplitude 4. Let us substitute here. X of tau 2 and h of t minus tau has 4. 2 into 4 it is 8 d tau. I will take it outside. Integration of constant, that is tau. Limits are t and minus 2. Substitute here. So that is 8 as it is outside. T minus of minus 2, it becomes plus 2. So 8t, 8 into 2, 16. Hence 8t plus 16 for the condition, for the time duration, minus 2 to 0. This is the first case of overlap. Second case, if t minus 2 is greater than minus 2 and t is less than or equal to 2. Let's see. If t minus 2 is if t minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2 and t is less than 2, nothing but exactly take the signal and fit into the inside the in these two durations. What happens? Let us see. If you take 2 towards other side, it becomes plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, it becomes 0. Hence t is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, and it is less than equal to 2. Hence we can write togetherly, we can write the value of t lies between 0 to 2. Then sketch the signals. What is the condition? If t minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2. T minus 2 is what? It is greater than minus 2 and t is less than or equal to 2. So now tell me what is the overlap region here? The overlap region is t minus 2 to t. This amount of signal get overlaps. Okay. So limits are what? T minus 2 to t. Similarly, one more same condition, one more representation, other place in between minus 2 to 2. If I place over like this, then what is the overlap region? Here also t minus t to t minus 2 to t. So this amount of signal get overlap. Here also limits becomes t minus 2 to t. Hence substitute, instead of writing minus infinity to plus infinity, I will write the limits as t minus 2 to t, t minus 2 to t, x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. Substitute the amplitudes. 2, this is 4, so 2 into 4 8. Integration of 1 is tau, limits are t minus 2, t minus of t minus 2, t get cancels, get cancels, and minus into minus plus 2, hence 8 into 2 16, hence y of t equal to 16 for the duration 0 to 2. Next case, if t minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 and t is greater than 2, t minus 2 is what? Less than or equal to 2, this case, and t is greater than, outside the 2, t is greater than 2. So what happens here? Now tell me the reason of overlap. T minus 2 to 2, this amount of signal get overlaps. So limits becomes t minus 2 to 2. Other representation somewhere else, same condition, but other way of representation. Here I have taken t minus 2 here, very closer to 2. Here also the overlap is this much. Limits becomes same, t minus 2 to 2. Hence substitute in the equation y of t equal to t minus 2 to 2, x of tau h of t minus tau d tau. 2 into 4 8, limits to t minus 2. Substitute 2 minus of t minus 2, minus t, minus into minus plus, so it becomes 4 minus t, 4 minus t, 8 into 4 minus t, multiply 32 minus 8t for the, we can write here, if you take to the other side it becomes plus 4, so less than or equal to 4, greater than 2. So in concise we can write the value of t lies between 2 to 4. Okay, hence we have 32 minus 8t for the time duration 2 to 4. So this is the overlap case. This much only we are getting overlap cases. Now in concise we will put all the cases in one equation, that is y of t equal to, it is for what? Non-overlap. Next condition 8t plus 16 for this duration, next 16 for this duration. These are what? Overlap cases. Next it is also non-overlap. This is the answer. Okay, now we are going to sketch result y of t. What? T is less than minus 2, how much amplitude is there? 0. Less than minus 2, less than minus 2, it is 0. And once t equal to minus 2, substitute here, t equal to minus 2, 8 into minus 2, minus 16, minus 16 plus 16, hence it is 0. Y of t equal to 0 for what? T equal to minus 2, hence it is 0. Next one more intermediate time value I will take. If it is minus 1.5, minus 1.5 means what happens? It is 12, minus 1.5 into 8, it is 12, minus 12 plus 16, so it is 4. So here what we are getting? Here we are getting at minus 1.5 we are getting 4. Next t equal to minus 1, 8 into minus 1, minus 8 plus 16 plus 8, where time t equal to 1, it is 8. Next t equal to 0, 8 into 0 0, so 0 plus 16 16, at 0 we have 16. Next this is completed. Next go for this one. When t equal to 0, 16. When t equal to 1, 16. When t equal to 2, 16. So when t equal to 2, it is 16. Next case, this is completed. Next case, greater than, the value of t is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 4. Let us take t equal to 3. Substitute 8 into 3, 24. 32 minus 24, that is 8. So for 3 how much we are getting? For 3 we are getting 8. For 3 we are getting 8. Next t equal to 4. 8 into 4, 32. 32 minus 32, it is 0. Next greater than 4, the amplitude is 0. This is the result of the conversion between x of t and h of t by graphical method. Thank you very much.